Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use the CryptoGuru app, a fantastic mobile cryptocurrency trading simulator. It's a perfect tool for beginners looking to learn about crypto trading without risking any real money. So let's dive in and I will walk you through the steps. First, open your app store and search for CryptoGuru. Once you find it, go ahead and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, click open and you will land it on the screen. Here, select your language. I am going with English, but pick whichever works best for you. Click continue and then allow notification if you would like to stay updated. Keep clicking continue until you are at the main dashboard. Now, here where's the fun begin. You will get a virtual balance of $33,000. This is your starting point for learning and experimenting with crypto trading. Don't forget to claim your daily bonus. Just click here to get rewards and build your balance faster. You can also shop for items or participate in the auction section. Bid on unique items and even with cool stuffs by joining live auction. Now you are ready to trade. Head over to the trade section. Here you can trade assets, follow trends, and make real-time decisions just like professionals. Want to earn bonus? Complete challenges by watching short videos. You will get some extra rewards. And don't miss the lucky spin. Spin for a chance to win $5,000 or get free spin by watching videos. Check out your profile for all your trading sets like max deal amount, average points, and more. It's a great way to track your progress. You can also place trades, choose your crypto like Bitcoin, and monitor your position to see how your investments are performing. Feel competitive? Enter the tournaments to compete with other users and sharpen your trading skill. That's a quick look at how you use CryptoGuru app. Wherever you are just starting out or looking to practice your crypto skill, this app is a great way to learn without any risk. So give it a try. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.